Hey everyone, welcome back. This Phantom wallet works perfectly on mobile data but completely fails on Wi Fi, spinning endlessly or showing a connection error. Here's the iPhone settings fix. First, go to your settings app, tap Wi Fi. Find a connected network at the top with the blue check mark. Tap the letter I in a circle on the right side of your network's name, then tap Forget this network and confirm. Now, tap the Wi-Fi toggle at the very top to turn it off. Wait 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Your network will reappear in the list. Tap it and re-enter your password to reconnect completely fresh. This clears the broken network session Phantom was stuck on. After reconnecting, open the Phantom app again. If it still fails on this network, then go to settings, then go to general, scroll down to VPN and device management. Check if any VPN is showing as connected. Even a VPN you previously turned off still can appear as active in here and block Phantom Wallet. Disconnect anything that's listed. So, all you gotta do is go to settings, then go to Wi-Fi, forget and reconnect fresh. Check VPN device management for anything active. Phantom will connect after that, and that's it. Subscribe.